People say you have to have a ton of money to get started in real estate. Do you agree with that?
Hell no. Hell no. You don't need shit.
When I bought my first fourplex, I spent $50,000 that I borrow and I earn and, sell all my cars. The second fourplex I bought with $5,000. The third one I bought with $3,000. The last deal, I think I bought $72 million. I bought with zero money.
What do you mean zero money?
With zero money.
Did you borrow money or what?
Nope. It's a creative financing, brother.
Creative financing?
Yeah, there's no banks,
How
man.
does that work?
Well, you gotta build your reputation, and you gotta build the credit, and there's the people that want to give you the money all the time, and you just gotta find the deals.
What was the most amount of money that you made in a single year?
I can tell you there was a year that I lost $250 million.
You lost 200.
Yeah, and I remember I don't learn shit from my successes. Like I can tell you how many millions I made. It's not about that. It's about the lessons and the failure I made in my
How
life.
did you lose 250 million in a year?
Well, the market dropped, and so it was like a lot of equity and a lot of cash.
So what did you learn from that? Like not put all your eggs in one basket, or what was that lesson?
No. This is exactly that I play safe. When you get bigger, you get more comfortable, and then you overanalyze stuff and you forget about yourself because you got all the answers within.